In 1942, Cornell Woolrich published a story called It Had to Be Murder in Dime Detective magazine. From this humble origin, this short story evolved into both one of the most famous movies of the 20th century and the basis of the copyright ruling in the Supreme Court case, Stewart versus Abend. Woolrich sold the right to make movie versions of It Had to Be Murder to Sylva Productions. Woolrich agreed that when the original copyright term ended, he'd renew the copyright and reassign the film rights to Sylva. Jimmy Stewart and Alfred Hitchcock bought the movie rights to It Had to Be Murder from Sylva's successor. The story formed the basis of their 1954 film, Rear Window, which made Rear Window a derivative work of It Had to Be Murder. Woolrich died before he could renew the copyright on his story. Woolrich's executor, Chase Manhattan Bank, renewed the copyright and sold the renewal rights to literary agent Sheldon Abend. When Rear Window was broadcast on TV, Abend notified Stewart that he owned the renewal rights in the copyright to It Had to Be Murder, and that distribution of the film without his permission infringed his copyright. The parties settled an initial lawsuit. In the 1977 case, Rohauer versus Killiam Shows, the Second Circuit held that even if renewal rights in the original work go to the author's executor, the owner of a derivative work could continue to use that work. Thinking he was in the clear, Stewart re-released Rear Window for cinema and television distribution. Abend sued Stewart for copyright infringement. He argued that Stewart's right to use the story during the renewal term had lapsed when Woolrich died without re-registering the copyright and transferring the movie rights as he'd agreed with Sylva back in 1945. The district court granted Stewart summary judgment. The Second Circuit reversed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.